Hello, my name is Teacher Dalissa, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cherry blossom wall hanging with your children using easy to find items like tissue paper and watercolor paints. First, we're going to cut the paper to 8 inches. Next, we're going to get out the dark pink and light pink tissue paper and cut it into small squares. Okay, now we're going to set our squares aside. We're going to open up our water paints, and we're going to use the brown to make the branch for the cherry blossom branch. Dip your brush in the water and then dip it in the brown paint. Maybe a little more water. We're going to start, and before you do this, you might want to look at pictures of cherry blossom branches online or in a book. Now we're just going to let our paintings dry a little bit. And usually watercolor dries fairly quickly. And in the meantime, you can start squishing up the little pieces of paper, because this is what's going to make the leaves for the tree and the blossoms, which will be light pink and dark pink cherry blossoms. Parts of it are pretty dry, so we can get started. We're going to open up our glue pen, and if you don't have a glue pen, you can use traditional glue that comes in the bottle or a glue stick. And we're going to start by making the leaves, which are the green little balls that we made. We're only going to put a little bit of these on because most of the tree is going to be covered with the beautiful dark pink and light pink tissue paper flowers. Next, we are going to take our ruler and we're going to turn our piece of art this way, and we're just going to gently take the one end and fold it. Then we're going to take our ribbon, or in this case I have raffia. We're going to lay it in there. And we're going to figure out how much we want to measure. I'm going to put glue along the top edge to glue this part down. When you have completed the cherry blossom wall hanging, you can ask your children or students easy questions like, in what season do you see cherry blossoms flower? Or what color are the flowers or what color are the leaves, or any other questions that you might think of.